Hello my friend, welcome to my new video. Today I want to share with you how I edit my photo for my Instagram using just two apps. It's Snapseed and PicsArt. You can download them for free. It will take just 5 minutes of your time to make a great photo. So let's check it out how I do it. After you have downloaded Snapseed and PicsArt on your mobile phone, you will go to the gallery and choose the photo you would like to edit. Now we're gonna use some photo from outside. We're gonna open it in Snapseed. First thing we're gonna do is click Tool and Add Detail and sharpening a little bit. So okay, this is the first step. Then you click Tools, Tune Image, and you're gonna adjust some settings. Let's see, shadows. So we don't want to be black since it's outside, and we want some detail to be seen. So we will increase the shadows. We go to +44. Warmth, we're gonna do not touch that now. Highlight, you can increase it a little bit. Ambience, it's also showing more detail, but we don't want to exaggerate it, so we're gonna keep it here on 27, 35. Okay. Saturation, okay, now the colors are really strong, so we're gonna lower it a little bit so it's more natural. Contrast, we don't need to touch it too much. Okay, so we click OK. Then we're gonna add more details, so we're gonna increase the details here. Don't do it too much because your photo will become grainy, so this is okay. And now we're gonna use Tools, Crop, and we're gonna remove this empty space that we have. Okay, this looks good. And if you want, you can click Vintage and add some vignette around your photo. You can adjust here the brightness, the saturation, the style strength, and the strength of it. So we're gonna lower it. We don't want to be too much dark. Okay, I think this is good. So in 2-3 minutes you have this photo from this photo. So you can see the difference. It's really big and the photo look much better, and it's ready to be posted on your Instagram. So now we're gonna edit this photo of my gear in Snapseed and make it much better for Instagram. So we have the photo here. Below we have some presets from Snapseed, but I don't use them too much because they don't fit to every photo. So the best way is to make your own. First of all, we're gonna click Tools, then Tune Image, and we're gonna change some settings here. We're gonna lower the shadow, not too much. Okay. Warmth, we don't need to touch that. We can increase the highlights a little bit. The ambience also, we're gonna increase it so you see how the gear looks much better. Saturation, we don't need to use it because our colors are great. For example, if your color is like this, then you will use saturation to put it in some normal look. The contrast, you can play a little bit the contrast also, depending on what you need. Brightness, okay. When you find your best settings, you click OK. Then we're gonna use Tools and then go to Brush. Choose Exposure and then put it to -1. If your background it's white, then you will go to 10. When the background it's dark, you go to -10. So now you want to paint slowly around your gear, and you can zoom so you do that much better and you don't make mistake. Okay, now we are almost done here. So this is the first step. I think this is good. So now you press OK, and then you go to tools and add some details. So you increase the details, not too much, and you will see the line. So when you put the detail, the sharpening in the mood you want, you're gonna choose again brush and click exposure and correct. After you do this few times, make this edit in under 5 minutes. So this is it. This is our photo, how it looked before and now. Look much better. It's great for your Instagram. You can add your text, for example, your Instagram name. Okay, we're gonna lower it down. We're gonna make it a little bit transparent so it's not too bright. We don't want to focus on that. We will make it like this. And that's it. You have a really nice edit of your photo and it's ready to be placed on Instagram. Now if you want to add the logo of your sponsor or maybe your own logo on the photo, in that case I use a PicsArt app, since it's much better to do that than Snapseed. You also have many other options and settings and effects that you can use, so I recommend to have both of the app on your phone. We're gonna add a logo. We're gonna choose add photo, then we're gonna choose the logo we want to add. Weapon 762, since we have their vest there. We're gonna use Spetsnaz arms. Okay, we're gonna use this two different type of logo, since as you can see, one, it's transparent, so you almost don't need anything to do. You just resize it and post it wherever you want and you're ready to go. But in case you have a logo like this one from Spetsnaz arms, you can see it's a black square. So if we put it here, it doesn't look so good. So we're gonna blend it and fit it properly in the photo. You're gonna choose down below the option blend, and then you will have many settings like normal, screen, multiply, dark. You're gonna choose the one that will fit the best on your photo. So we're gonna try with screen. Okay, so this already look pretty good. We're gonna try to lower the opacity a little bit. Okay, so I think now looks good. Then you need to place it whenever you want and you're ready to go. Of course, I don't put too many logo on the photo and I don't use that all the time, only in some cases, because I don't like watermark. I don't like too much text on the photo and logos. But if you want and you want to have it, you can do it this way. Then you just click OK, you click forward, you go to save, and your photo is saved in your gallery. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and to hit the bell so you get a notification when I release a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for all the support. Stay safe and see you next time. Bye.